Alright guys, so the 2012 Nissan Maxima, we're going to change the low beam. I'll put that in the description below, just click on the link. Got to take the tire off first. Then we got to get into the wheel well. You're going to have clips. We're getting this section here off. We don't have to take it all the way off, just up to, you know, to like these clips here, to where we can bend it back and around this. So we got some Phillips heads on the bottom here. We're going to take those out, and then whatever clips are holding it in anywhere, and then we're going to move this over here. So you can use a little flathead screwdriver to pry these out. I have a special clip removing tool. I got it on Amazon. I put that in the link below. If I forget, just remind me, and I'll put it in there for you. It makes life a lot easier, pulling these out. Let's get all these out. Let's see, we're going to go all the way up to, we'll do this one up here. This is nice and stiff. There we go. Alright, and then pretty sure it was just a few Phillips heads. We're going to get these 3 Phillips heads down there out. Actually, they weren't Phillips heads, they were 7mm. And there's a couple clips down here too. At least one. Get it out of here. Come on now. I'll put these clips in the description too. If I forget, just remind me. They're pretty cheap. Get brand new ones. Oh, well, that one came right out. A little weird like. I think that should be it. Let's see if I can't get this out of there now. So this panel is just kind of in the way. So I'm going to take these 2 off and just get this thing out of the way. And you can just bend this too, I think, just to get it out of the way. But I'm just going to go ahead and take them out. And like I said, you just kind of bend it up behind here. Now you can get up in here. Here, put my flashlight on. And we can give this guy a little turn, pop it out, and then this pulls right here. It helps to have a couple hands on it at once. Now let me get it with 2 hands. Alright, there we go. This guy right here, you just pull this up and then pull this out of it. Then we get a new one. It's an H11. We'll plug it right into there. And we'll put this up in here. And you're going to kind of have it at an angle. And then screw it in. You got to get it to drop in. Oh, make sure the old washer's out. The new one's got a washer on it. Get it to push all the way in, and then turn it. Bam, that's in. Then you go ahead and get your wheel well back in, lined all back up, and in place like it's supposed to go. Put all your clips back in. This panel right here, back up here, get it all back in. You're ready to go. I'll put the H11 light bulb in the description below. Click the link. Peace.